Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use ChatGPT to create an SEO optimized article that you can publish into your website and outrank your competitors in any kind of niches in just a single click. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at JRDigital.com. In this YouTube channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, tips and tricks, latest technology, and product reviews. If you like content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content like this. So without further ado, let's dive right into our video. Now, creating content, guys, and optimizing that content through search engine is really hard, especially if you're not copywriter, you're not an SEO expert. But I discovered, guys, a really cool and powerful Google Chrome extension that will help us create an SEO optimized content or article that you can publish into your website and outrank your competitors in just a single. Alright guys, so this is that tool that I'm talking about right here, which is this AIPRM ChatGPT prompts right here. You can download this for free and install this in your Google Chrome extension, and it will be automatically sync inside of your ChatGPT account. And this is where you access that one by clicking on this AIPRM for ChatGPT right here, and it will open up this window right here. Now there are multiple tools that is included inside of this tool, but the tool that we'll be using, guys, is this outrank article right here. This is really powerful. All right, so all you have to do is to click on this outrank competitors, and all you have to do now is to copy and paste a URL or any kind of URL website that you wanted to outrank. So let's say you have a competitors in your space or in your niche, and you wanted to create content out of that blog that they have in their website. All you have to do is to copy and paste that right here. So I have a client, his business is tracking company, and he wanted me to create, or he wanted to outrank his competitors in the search engine, right? So this is his competitors right here, and this is listed on the first page of the search result, right? So this is their blog and this is their content right here, right? So what I can do now is I can just copy and paste this URL right here, and then I can go back to ChatGPT and just paste that URL right here and just click on this submit. Now ChatGPT, guys, will automatically create this content, rewrite this article for you, and provide you this SEO optimized article that you can publish inside of your website or into your client's website if you have a client, or you can use this to outrank your competitors. All right, as you can see, it's now creating as this content, guys, within just a single click of your mouse. It will probably take us a couple of seconds right here, and as you can see, it provides us a detailed article right here that is came from this article or blog post right here. All right, guys, so as you can see, guys, ChatGPT provided me this detailed article from my competitors right here, and this is 100% unique and SEO optimized, guys, because we use this AIPRM technology right here. So I now have this full article or full content that I can publish into my client's website right here. It also provided me this, I think this is the list of the table of contents in that website or in the source page right here, right? So I can just copy and paste this, and if you are using WordPress, but right now I'm actually using System.io in my personal blog or in my personal website. So this is the website that I'm trying to create inside of System.io. And the best part, guys, System.io is 100% free. You can create blog for 100% free with System.io. Let me show you the pricing of this one right here. So this System.io, you can create blog posts and you can publish unlimited posts in that blog. All right, and you don't need to pay for this, guys. There's no monthly payment. Now System.io is not just a blogging platform. This is an all-in-one platform. You can create funnels, you can create email marketing campaign inside of this software. And this is the exact software, guys, that I use to grow my affiliate marketing business. I set up a funnel right here. So this is my funnel right here. Let me show you that funnel that I have. Right, so this is the funnel that I have, and this is the tool that I use, guys, to grow my email list. All right, and you can use this, guys, for 100% free. I have a link below this video if you wanted to use System. And again, this is the website or the blog that I set up with System.io, and it's really easy to set up. You can just go to your blogs right here, and now you can create your blog. So this is the blog that I've created right here, and this is where I can publish my content that I generated with ChatGPT with the help of AIPRM technology right here. That's pretty much, guys. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content like this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.